How to download Blender, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to download Blender. Blender is a free and open-source 3D creation software that is widely used by artists, designers, and animators around the world. In this video, we'll show you how to download Blender and get started with your first project. First, let's go to the Blender website at blender.org. You can find the download link on the home page or by clicking on the Download tab in the top menu. Once you're on the download page, you'll see several options for downloading Blender. The first thing to consider is your operating system. Blender is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, so make sure you select the correct version for your system. Once you've selected your operating system, you'll need to choose between the stable version and the experimental version. The stable version is recommended for most users, as it has been thoroughly tested and is more reliable. The experimental version, on the other hand, may have more advanced features but may also be less stable. Once you've made your selection, click on the download button to start the download process. The download size will vary depending on your selection, so be patient while the file downloads. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Blender on your computer. The installation process is straightforward and should only take a few minutes. Make sure to select the appropriate installation options, such as language preferences and file associations. After the installation is complete, you're ready to start using Blender. Open the software and you'll see the main Blender interface, which includes various panels and menus for creating and editing 3D objects. To get started with your first project, we recommend checking out some of the many Blender tutorials available online. There are plenty of resources available for both beginners and advanced users, so find a tutorial that suits your skill level and interests. That's it for this tutorial on how to download Blender. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials on 3D design and animation. Thanks for watching.